Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining us today. This is Toei, your MC for today. And today we are gathered in Bangkok, Thailand for the highly anticipated launch event of Mitsubishi's newest model, the new Triton. And just a moment ago in the conference area just over there, we had the privilege to hear from Masuda-san, the mastermind behind the creation of the Triton. Nice to meet you, Masuda-san.
Nice to meet you. Hi everyone, today I'm extremely honored to be able to introduce our new Triton. I'm so excited and I hope you enjoy it.
I am so excited as well. Where I'm standing right now, as you can see, we are in the Triton World. And believe it or not, we actually have got 12 different brand new Tritons on display today, which I will take you all to check out all of these beautiful cars today. And could you please tell us more about what exactly the Triton World is?
Of course. Triton World is to express the source of how we created the Triton. There are so many kinds of customer usage and needs. And so it is very important to meet the customer and listen to their opinions or how they use a pickup trucks. Triton World is divided into 5 zones: technology, adventure, workhorse, lifestyle, and motorsports, representing typical usage, and the 40 models showcase a diversity of the customer preference. If you go through the theme in this amazing universe, you will get a comprehensive understanding of the awesome thing. The new Triton is very attractive and suitable for a variety of the customers' needs and wants.
How thrilling is that? That sounds amazing, Masuda-san. We are actually going to take a tour around the Triton World today and give you a taste of what the Triton has to offer. And in each area, be prepared to meet a Mitsubishi representative who will share with us what their favorite part about the Triton is. So, follow me and thank you very much, Masuda-san.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.